Hello, it's Mila from Hack Your Russian, and I'm here to help you learn Russian language easy, fast, and with lots of fun. In my previous video, I have shown you some Russian English cognates and similar words, so the words which sound and look almost the same, and the most important, they have the same meaning. But today I will show you false cognates, so the words which sound and look almost the same in both languages, but have a completely different meaning. Are you ready? Поехали! So why is it so important to learn these words? Since they look and sound the same, you can put yourself in an embarrassing situation quite easy.
Мы должны опираться не на сиюминутные политические интересы каких-то внутренних политических сил в наших странах, а на факты. Назовите мне хотя бы один факт, который говорит о каком-то сговоре.
Okay, let's start with the first word, and the first word is artist. 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 So I guess you start imagining which word actually sounds the same in English language, and of course it is an artist. Artist. Artist, artist. Yeah, it may tell you that these words are the same and have the same meaning, but they don't. So artist, it is somebody who entertain. It can be a singer, an actor, it can be somebody who works for television. So we can say artist, artist. And the equivalent of an English word and artist in Russian is художник. Художник.
Я артист больших и малых академических театров.
Second word is магазин. Магазин. Magazine. Well, it sounds almost the same as a magazine. Magazine, magazine. So the word magazine is actually a shop. A shop. And an equivalent for an English and magazine is журнал. Магазин, журнал.
Я, пришла как-то в магазин к себе в стекляшку, и продавщице говорю, если вот увидишь, что я ночью к тебе прихожу продукты покупать, ты мне не продавай, я худею. Она такая, все, не вопрос, я тоже. Ну и что, я больше в этот магазин не ходила. Потому что зачем мне магазин, где я не могу еды купить даже?
Спасибо, Галя.
Next word is familia. Familia sounds almost like a family in English. But these are different words, though they do have some kind of a connection, because familia is a surname. Surname, and actually family in Russian is семья. Familia, семья. Next word is quite funny. Fart. Fart. Well, I guess you understand what I mean. So fart in Russian is actually a lack. A lack. And this word, to fart in English, its equivalent is пердеть or пукать. It is quite embarrassing for me to tell this word like this to a camera, but you need to know anyway, so that you will not put yourself in an embarrassing situation. If you hear somebody telling this and you will think, oh my god, why is it talking about farting? You understand.
Глеба, ты Быкова не видел?
Сегодня мне не фартит. Я видел его уже 3 раза, и 1 раз даже разговаривал.
Ну, за фарт.
За фарт.
Next word is clay. Clay. And it sounds almost like in English, clay, right? Clay, clay. Clay is a glue, so it doesn't really have something in common with clay, and in Russian, clay is glina. Clay, glina. Next word is banda. Banda, which sounds almost like in English a band, but banda in English is a gang. while a band in Russian is группа. Banda, группа, banda, группа. Next one is smoking. Smoking, which sounds completely the same as in English, smoking. Smoking, smoking. So in this case, smoking is a dinner jacket, while smoking in Russian is курение. Курение. Next word, this time it's an adjective, аккуратный. Аккуратный, and some people mistake it with an English word, accurate. Аккуратный, accurate. So, аккуратный in English is actually neat, while accurate in Russian is точный. Аккуратный, точный. Next word is again an adjective, актуальный. Актуальный, which sounds almost like an English actual. Actual, актуальный, but in this case, актуальный doesn't have the same meaning as actual. Актуальный is something urgent or topical, while actual in Russian is фактический. Фактический. Next, проспект. Проспект sounds almost like in English a prospect. Well, prospect in English is an avenue, while a prospect in Russian is перспектива. Перспектива, проспект. Next word is симпатия. Симпатия, which sounds almost like in English as sympathy, but they have different meanings. Sympatia in Russian and in English it is a liking for, while when we look at the word as sympathy and we think about the Russian equivalent, it is actually сочувствие. Сочувствие, симпатия. Сочувствие, симпатия. Next word is baloon. Baloon, which sounds almost like in English a balloon. But in this case, these words are different. Balloon is some kind of a cylinder or a container, while balloon in Russian is воздушный шар. Воздушный шар, баллон. Баллон, воздушный шар. Next word is focus. Focus, like in English to focus, but focus is a magic trick, and to focus in Russian will be фокусироваться. Сосредоточиться. Сосредоточиться, сфокусироваться, focus. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below. This way you're helping other Russian language learners discover these videos. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. If you want to get some exclusive materials and to support my project, you can become a patron of Hack Your Russian. Find the link in the description box. See you next time. Пока-пока!
Thank you.